Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. No hat on today, so that's something new. Except for that, we're making a fennel salad with oranges and scallops, and some pickled red onions, and a nice caper butter to put on top. But before we start with that, as always, please don't forget, click the subscribe button. And also, if you want to stay updated on new content, click the little bell icon. Now, let's get cooking. We'll brine our red onions. For this dish, I like to just cut them like this. Cut them all up like this. To brine the red onion, we put the juice of 1 lemon. And some apple vinegar, about 50-50. And then a pinch of salt in there. Quick taste. Perfect. Put the red onions in, and then you let that stand. The first thing we'll do for our salad is we'll fillet the orange. Nice and juicy. First you have to peel it, make sure you take off all the white stuff. And then all you have to do is really easy. You go in where you see a white line. Then you go by the next white line, and there you have the fillet. That's it. So fillet 2 oranges. Once you're done filleting, don't throw them away because we'll need the juice for the dressing afterwards. So just squeeze the juice out. Like this. Get as much out there as you can. And then we can also actually pour from the fillet the excess juice. And then we'll keep that for the dressing. The next and essential part of our salad is the fennel itself. Just cut off the bottom, cut off the top. Save some of the green things, it's nice to decorate with them. And then we'll just put them through the mandolin on thins. So we'll get slices like that, nice and thin. We're done with the fennel, put it all in a bowl. Nice and thin. For the dressing, we'll take the orange juice we already have, olive oil, about that much should be fine, and then we'll use again the apple vinegar, same parts as olive oil about, and again a pinch of salt. Quick taster. Perfect. Nice, sweet, vinegary, salty. Now we'll put our salad together. Well, not the whole thing, but the fennel and the oranges, and pour over some dressing, let it marinate. Mix it well. And then we'll let this stand and marinate while we do the scallops. The salad is ready and it's marinating, so we can take a look at the scallops. And normally when you buy scallops like this, so without the shell, they leave this part on here. It's not easy to see, but it's actually a muscle. And it doesn't taste very nice. Well, it has no different taste, but different texture. And all you have to do is kind of go with your finger and then pull it off like that and it comes off. So I would suggest you do that before. And then I usually just cut the scallop down the middle so you have 2 different ones. We'll do that to all the scallop and then we'll fry them. We have a mix of oil and butter in the pan, so we can heat it quite a bit. And normally you know that it's hot enough when it's quiet. Put that up there. Put them on. We'll probably have to do this in 2 batches. I salted on one side already, and we'll salt a bit on the other side as well. It's sticking a little bit, we'll wait another couple of seconds. As you can see, the heat in the pan is not even. And once you turn them, they're pretty much ready. And there we take it. Put some more butter in the pan and make a light kind of just a butter sauce with some capers in it. Add some capers here. That will go really well with the fennel and the oranges. So, and that's ready as well. Now we have everything ready. We have the salad, we have the pickled red onions, we have the scallops and the caper sauce. So it's time to plate. I like to do it with my hand like that. A lot of the salad can run through my hand, or a lot of the dressing. Oh. We'll get some cookies and kök. Put 5 on each plate. I have some of the red onions. Just put a little bit on top. Like that. And a little bit of the green stuff. If it wouldn't stick to my hand so much. And then last but not least, a bit of the caper butter. Quite strong, so you don't need a lot. So there we have it, the finished dish. A nice light fennel and orange salad with some seared scallops and a bit of a butter with capers. As always, never change a winning team. Have this back on, dish is ready to eat. Looks fantastic. Let's hope it tastes that way too. Just a great combination. You have the kind of fruitiness of the oranges, the nice seafood taste of the scallops. The capers also adds a nice kind of saltiness to the whole dish. That's a perfect dish for during the week. It took me all in all maybe 20 minutes to prepare. It's light, It's carb free for those who have to watch it a bit, like I normally should, but I don't. And it's not difficult. You don't need any special skills. So, as always, if you stuck with me this long, that was probably something you enjoyed about the video, so please click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that as well. Next time well, it's December, so we'll actually do kind of a julbord classic, a Swedish julbord classic, which is gravad lax. And I think we'll make it 2 different ways. But that's to come next time. Thank you for this time. Take care. Bye-bye.